Hello and welcome to the Select Catering Equipment Review Show. This week we are doing the Falcon Lainox Naboo range of combi ovens. Lainox are the world's second largest manufacturer of combis, second only to Rational. A combi oven is a revolutionary piece of kit. It's been around since the early 70s. What it does is it allows you to cook many different types of food. You can shallow fry, you can bake, you can steam stuff in there, and it opens up a huge range of opportunities for catering people, catering professionals. If you want one, why would you have the Naboo? The Naboo are Lainox's intelligent cooking combis. Basically, it's a touchscreen interface which you can use to basically tell the machine that you're cooking a certain foodstuff. You can tell it where it is in the oven, you can tell it what finish you want on it, and you hit a button and it will then cook it. It's amazing. It really is a wonderfully simple interface on the Naboo. It has images that you can add to it if you're creating your own recipes, which is very easy to do. It's a drag and drop system, so it's very intuitive, very similar to using a tablet, and it's large scale. So even if you only take the 7 rack, you can probably do 100 meals a day in that, and all very high quality. So you can cook 100 different things at the same time. They will all come out the same. That's the beauty of these machines, and it will tell you when to put the food in and then when to take the food out. It will even tell you when you need to turn food over. It is really quite something to see it in action. They are great machines and they work very well. The cleaning of these machines is very simple as well. They have these canisters of liquid detergent which can just slot into the machines. That does two things. One, it means that you don't have to add anything whenever you want to clean the machine, as you do with some other manufacturers. You often have to add tablets of detergent which then has to be mixed up with water and then used to clean the cavity. The cleaning materials are already in there. You will have loaded them up beforehand, so at the end of a service you just go, I want to clean it, click you go, and it cleans it. The second good thing about that system that Lainox have developed is because it is liquid, it is ready mixed detergent, the cleaning cycles are quicker. So often in the rest of the market you're looking at 3 hours to do a deep clean of your combi oven. That's the great thing about the Lainox. Their hardest, most thorough clean of their combi oven takes 51 minutes and the standard clean is only 48. You can have a 7 rack, you can have a 10 rack, you can have a 20 rack. You can have 2 different options in terms of width, so you can have machines that fit a 1/1 gastronorm tray or a 2/1 gastronorm tray. On the 1/1 gastronorm tray, you also have the additional option of having a 17 rack machine, which is actually a 7 combined with a 10 rack machine. And that gives you a lot of versatility, so you've got 2 cooking spaces, which is great for larger organizations who are starting to do maybe a few hundred meals a day, but also are doing a varied menu. The 7 racks are really for small to medium sized businesses that are really just adding it in to give themselves a bit of versatility on their menu. You might do up to 100 meals in there a day. The 10 racks are for those doing more than 100 meals, maybe up to 400 meals for a 10 rack. And then if you go to the 20 rack, you're really starting to go into large scale operations, caterers, event caterers, maybe even food manufacturers. The great thing about the Naboo is they also offer a compact version. So what Lainox have done is they brought it down to a very small footprint and they put all the gubbins on top of the machine. So you have a very small footprint. All of the same usability of the larger Naboo machines, which is really good. They even do a really compact one which takes a 2/3 gastronorm tray size, which is even smaller. So if you have a small business and you just want to add some really great quality roasts or maybe some more baking and you want something like that that's just going to slot nice and easily into your business, this is the one for you. The great thing about Naboo and the Lainox in general is they are great value. You get everything you get with other large scale, big name combi ovens, but with a lower price tag. There you go.